Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Miss Moore. Today we're going to be talking about the order of operations. So the order of operations is actually something I know that you have been learning for quite some time. So today is just going to be a quick review, and then we're going to send you on your way to do some practice. So what is the order of operations? When you do things in life, you have to do them in a specific order. So the order of operations is how we simplify expressions using a very specific order. Now, as soon as I say this, you're going to say, oh yeah, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So many of you have been using this since like 6th grade, and I can't wait to continue using this with you. So the P, yes, stands for please, but it also stands for parentheses. Now, parentheses are grouping symbols. So this is used when multiple things are inside the parentheses. I can also use brackets, another grouping symbol, or absolute value bars. The E stands for exponents. The exponents are the little number right there, the 2. This is 3 squared. So this is not 3 times 2. This is actually 3 times 3, which would be 9. So please be careful with that. A lot of people make that common mistake. So another example would be 2 to the 5th power. Again, it is not 2 times 5. It is 2 times itself 5 times. Then we come to the M and the D. This stands for multiplication and division. Now, it's really important to realize that the M does not always come first. We have to work left to right, just like we're reading a book. Then we come to the A and the S. The A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. So just like above, we cannot always assume that addition goes first. We have to move from left to right. Okay, so that's PEMDAS, the order of operations. So let's go ahead and do an example. So let's look at number 13. We have 7 plus 54 divided by 3 times 2. Now, while you might say there's parentheses there, so that goes first, those parentheses do not represent grouping symbols. That is multiplication. So we don't do those parentheses first. We are actually going to do the division first. So let's go ahead and divide 54 divided by 3. And we are going to get 18. So let's add 18 into our expression. So we have 7 plus 18 times 2. Now we have to ask, do we do addition or multiplication? We do multiplication. So 18 times 2 is 36. I add in the plus 7. I only have one operation left, and that is 7 plus 36, and that is 43. Awesome. Not so bad, right? As long as you follow the correct order, you will be fine. Let's go ahead and do number 14 next. So I have 17 minus 2 to the 5th power divided by 4 plus 6. So I need to ask myself, what am I going to do first? The minus, the exponent, the division, or the addition? I'm going to do the exponent. So remember, this is 2 to the 5th, which is 32. Notice there's a negative sign in there. I'm just going to leave it alone, and I'm going to write out my expression. Then I need to say, okay, subtraction, division, or addition. I'm going to do the division first. So I have 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. I'm going to keep that negative sign in between the 17 and the 8. Okay, so now I have 17 minus 8 plus 6. Well, according to my dear Aunt Sally, A comes first, so I'm going to do addition. No, remember I have to go from left to right. That is so important, but that is a mistake that a lot of people make. So I'm actually going to highlight that. I'm going to interact with my notes to make note that I can't forget that. I actually have to do the subtraction first because it comes first in my problem. So 17 minus 8 is 9, plus 6. I only have one operation left, so I'm going to add these two together, and I am going to get 15. All right, it's as easy as that. So what I would like you all to do right now is go ahead and take a look at the graphic organizer in your interactive notebook, and I would like you to give me a gist statement. So you have 20 words to summarize what you relearned in the video and what you see in that graphic organizer. So choose your words wisely. And then in the next page, you have a few practice problems. Go ahead and do that on a separate sheet of paper, and then upload a photo of your work.